Hi everyone, we are back in Highway Camp, and today we would like to talk about zoning and the coordination required between the installation team, production and transport. With a panelized system, effective zoning is crucial to ensure a smooth and efficient installation process. Before production commenced, BAS Frames carefully divided the building into designated installation areas, allowing the manufacturing team to produce panels in the correct sequence and ensure a coordinated delivery strategy. As shown on the drawing below, this project has been divided into 5 distinct zones. So this approach enables seamless coordination between manufacturing, logistics and site operation, ensuring that the right panels arrive on site at the right time and are installed in the correct order. The result is improved efficiency, reduced site congestion and greater program certainty. Now let's take a quick look at the progress we've made since last week.